Hey, here we are. Just finished using the Sealant Air emergency tire sealant. Had a little tiny prick in my tire from a little tiny nail. Went for a ride. Put the stuff in, went for a ride. See, here it is. I'm pushing on it, all empty, nothing coming out. The whole thing's in the tire. And here she is, leaking away. Can you hear the air? Yep, air's coming out. Not staying in. Put it in, went for a ride, all that business, just like it said. And she's still leaking. I guess not working too good for me here, this stuff. No. No, 3-bond. 3-bond, Sealant Air. Not working too good. There's the bike. Just went for a ride. Not working. Dang it. $10 down the drain.